I don't know if that would be considered a necessity to get on.
Hey everyone, welcome to Everyday Backpacker, my channel here. And spring in Montana, and we're once again up on top of the rims, Zimmerman Park, up above the Billings area here. I'm with my buddy Adam here.
Hey.
He's also got some YouTube channels, Explore Montana. Some pretty good things in the works with him. He's kind of new to backpacking, so we're kind of getting him up to speed. Thought it'd be a great day. Just go out and do a quick hike. We've been cooped up all winter long. Winters in Montana can be brutal. So let's see what the trail holds. What do you got to say, Adam?
I guess we'll see what the trail holds.
Well said. So as you can see, March in Montana means interesting weather. We just had a snowstorm just this morning, and we're expecting more snow this weekend. Before that, it was in the 60s. But always makes for a very interesting time. Don't be that person. Take your dog poo with you.
Hey.
Hey. All right, so it's kind of interesting. You get two vloggers together on the same hike who have the same camera, because it's a constant battle of the same beeps, trying to figure out if that beep's coming from your camera or his camera, and then trying not to walk over each other when they're doing vlog posts. Right, Adam?
What?
We went to the wrong side.
Oh.
Camera one, camera two. Camera one, camera two.
Hi.
Wow, what a difference a year makes. Last year, before I lost a lot of weight, the last time I was probably up on these trails, I was really struggling by this point. I feel great. I haven't even broken a sweat. Of course, it is only 30 degrees out, but hardly breathing hard. Yeah, kind of like it. All right, this is one of my favorite spots here. Down there is my current home, Billings, Montana. And off in the distance, my home away from home, the Beartooth Mountains. Beautiful Montana sunset. And another vlogger. So, one of the fun part about going on hikes with people is the various conversations you have, especially when your buddy's trying to do a vlog back there, and he asks you a question like, "What's your thoughts on smacking the back side of a grizzly?" To which I replied, "It depends on how much alcohol I've had." All right, nice sunset for the night. Probably gonna start heading back here before it gets too dark, because, you know, like great prepared outdoors people, we forgot our headlamps back at my house. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's kind of a good opportunity to get out and play with the new gear. And thanks for coming along, Adam.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Check out his channel, Explore Montana. If you like what you saw, subscribe, comment below. And yeah, hopefully here soon we'll get the chance to do some backpacking. Have a great one.